show you how you chop the hulu. Hulu, you take the right tool, the chopping tool right there, right in the center, right there. 1, 2, whack, boom, right there. Bow. Turn it back, chop them away, put them in the water, come up, shimbo like that. One more time, whack them, whack them. Wow. One more time. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to weave the local basket. This basket, we're gonna use them to contain our coconut, the breadfruit from the earth oven. Yes. You take one, you see, I won't finish the rest. The rest of my finishing, you press the bottom, push this down, push that up, stay down, push that up, stay down, and then this one comes right over here. Now this last one,